Okay, it's time to say Happy Mother's Day to Grandma Arlene. Can you smile for her? Say Happy Mother's Day. This is the very first Mother's Day we have together, right? Yeah. That's not pretty. That's not food.
Happy Mother's Day.
Say, Grandma, look at my pretty dress. You said you didn't like it, but you can see my fat legs. And you can see my fat toes. Show Grandma your toes. See all those cute toes? There's 10 of them, right? Right. And you can stand up now like a big girl. Okay? Say Happy Mother's Day. Give a big smile. Give a big smile, can you? Can you? Happy Mother's Day.